Hours ago, the president of Stanford University announced he's resigning next month. It follows an investigation into his scientific research papers and allegations of fraud and misconduct. KTVU's Brooks Rose has a deeper look at a newly released investigative report and the fallout.
Changes are coming at the top of Stanford University. After 7 years at the helm, President Mark Tessier-Lavigne says he'll resign, despite an independent panel's report clearing him of research misconduct. Although the report clearly refutes the allegations of fraud and misconduct that were made against me, for the good of the university, I have made the difficult decision to step down as president, effective August 31st. Allegations were first made public in December by student-run newspaper The Stanford Daily. Claims of altered photos and manipulated data in several published research papers. Freshman Theo Baker broke the story.
And so it's really gratifying to know that we have committed some reporting that has assisted in the correction and the cleaning of the scientific record.
For months, a scientific panel has led a review, finding while Tessier-Lavigne did not know or personally engage in research misconduct, he did fail to correct mistakes happening at several labs and institutions. He'll now retract 3 widely cited papers he authored and correct 2 others.
As a group leader or professor or the corresponding author of scientific papers, you are responsible for the work.
Elizabeth Big is a science consultant who worked at Stanford for 15 years. She says the president is getting let off the hook.
And I felt that as a supervisor and mentor of these graduate students and postdocs, he should be held accountable and responsible for his role in that. And I feel that part is a bit lacking in the response.
Tessier-Lavigne said Wednesday, Stanford is greater than any one of us. It needs a president whose leadership is not hampered by such discussion. Board of Trustees Chair Jerry Yang said, in light of the report and its impact on his ability to lead Stanford, the board decided to accept President Tessier-Lavigne's resignation and agrees with him that it is in the university's best interests. The board has appointed Professor Richard Soller to take over as interim president September 1st. But Tessier-Lavigne will not leave Stanford. He will continue his research into brain development in the Department of Biology.
Regardless of Tessier-Lavigne himself, I think that hopefully this raises some broader conversations about how we go about conducting research, how we go about correcting research, and who has accountability for things that happen under their watch.
The Board of Trustees says in the coming weeks it will appoint a search committee to begin the process of searching for the university's next president. At Stanford, Brooks Rose, KTVU, Fox 2 News.